Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you about some of the important FAQ regarding UPSC examinations. So in that the main problem is limit of characters in application form in any competitive exam in UPSC. So we'll see first about first thing. So first go to here apply button and go for any of these examinations. So I'm opening it. After that you can see here the name. So here you can see you can write up to 30 characters only, because they also mentioned here if your name is exceeding 30 characters, please go and read FAQs. They already mentioned here. It means only 30 characters are the we have to write 30 characters only in this name column. So the main FAQ is so we'll go and we can see FAQs are here. So we open this FAQs once. So you can see in sixth position you can see this is mainly regarding name, because what should I do if my name is more than the space limit of 30 characters. So here you can see here only 30 characters are the main limit here. So many students have more than that limit, so that's why how they have to write. So the main thing they have given in FAQs is that the 30 characters, please abbreviate your name in name column. So they are saying that you have to abbreviate your name here first. After abbreviating your name, then you have to press the tab key, full name. Though then a new column will come, that's name is a full name column displays. So below to facilitate candidate's name will be the full name of the candidate should be written in that column. It's full name column. So after completion of this, we have to send a request. That is nothing but a written letter format should be written that you have abbreviated the name and reason to abbreviate the name, and we have to send to Joint Secretary Examination UPSC, Dolpur House, Shahjahan Road, New Delhi, by speed post, or you can also do by fax too with this number given details. So the main my suggestion is go for fax. It will, because it will take easily. If you in your location fax is not available, go for speed post. It may be, for example, if some people in Chennai, so it may take 2 or 3 4 days to go to Delhi. So the main thing is fax is easiest way. If it is not there in your location, then go for post. So now we will see how to write the name fully whose name is exceeds 30 characters. So first we will write it now. How it is exceeds or not, we will see first. I will let name here. So you can see, so the name is not coming here. So I'm just entering in keyboard, but the name is not coming here. So the main thing is only 30 characters. You can count this, it is successfully placed in 30 characters only. So now what you have to do is just click whatever is blinking here, just click on below once. So you can see a pop-up come here. UPSC says that your name is exceeding 30 characters, kindly use abbreviation in the name column and also should fill the full name in the full name column. So if you press OK, the new column will become. So you can see a new column has came here, and in this column you have to write your full name. Whatever the full name is, you have to write here. So I'm writing the full name. So write your full name as the full name as per your 10th class certificate, and every certificate whatever your name is there fully. Maybe some colleges used to give some extra limit names, but some colleges will not prefer fully. Only some colleges will give a more than 30 limit. So I'm entering the name. So I have entered the full name here. So you can enter this here. You can enter abbreviation like this, what I'm entering. So I am entering here. So I entered the both names. So this is the two main things that we have, the name and full name. Like this we can add our names in our names in UPSC examinations. So, and also the main thing is we have to send it to a joint secret examination. While after writing like this, we have to send a letter to them, and we have to write a reason in this, and then after we have to send. If not, if we will not send, it may be rejected at later stages. So they also mentioned here, otherwise your application or candidature may be rejected after at a later stage, they are also given is. So please do it after writing like this. You send a fax, it not may be much cost, maybe it's just fax is just, it may be sent easily, I think so. So try it. So I think you understood how to write the name. So thank you. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe my channel.